Hello and welcome back to the T-Learn channel. Right now we're going to be doing the use the conditional or ternary operator basic JavaScript lesson from Free Code Camp. So here goes. The conditional operator, also called the ternary operator, can be used as a one-line if-else expression. The syntax is A B C, where A is the condition, B is the code to run when the condition returns true, and C is the code to run when the condition returns false. Pretty straightforward. The following function uses an if-else statement to check a condition. So right below we have a function called findGreater, so function findGreater with arguments A and B. And our first if statement, which says that if A is greater than B, then our function should return a string of A is greater. Else, our function will return a string of B is greater. And right below that, this can be rewritten using the conditional operator. Function findGreater with the same arguments of A and B. Return A is greater than B, question mark. So if this is true, if A is greater than B, we will get a string of A is greater. And this colon right here represents our else statement. So if this condition is not true, if B is greater than A, then our function will return, B is greater. So right below that, we are challenged with using the conditional operator in the check equal function. So this function right here, check equal, to check if two numbers are equal or not. The function should return either the string equal or the string not equal. So here we have our function pre-written for us, and we have an example of a function call with values 1 for A and 2 for B. So this function should definitely return not equal. And let's get to writing it real quick. So our function should return if A is strictly equal to B. If that is true, then our function will return a string of equal. Else, if that is not true, if they are unequal, then our function will simply return a string of not equal. Now, let's log this example of our function being called into the console, and we should get a string of not equal. There we go. What if we change this from a 2 to 1? Now we get a string of equal. So our function is now done, and our challenge is now complete. There we go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.